All right, so what's good, you guys? We're gonna do a day in my life. I woke up at about 8:20. It's now 8:41. We're dressed, sweater, jeans, Uggs, coat, and we're gonna head to work. So it's actually like really cold out here today. It's like 30 degrees. Ooh, yeah, I need to zip my coat up, child. Usually I don't need to zip my coat, but it's a little bricky break out here today. Gonna try to make this train the earlier train than what I've been making all week. It is Thursday morning, so we're doing good. I had been leaving the house a little later this week, so let's see if we actually make it. I don't, however, want to have any like extra pep in my step, so if we don't make it, oh well. I've decided I'm not gonna let the train upset me these days, so I don't even be pressing the issue, child. I have AirPods. I wanted to tell you guys, so I lost my original AirPod case, so I got one off Amazon. And let me tell you, baby, because if you know, an AirPod case itself costs about as much as the AirPod. So it's like $90 to $100. I got this for $30 off of Amazon, Dodge and Poop, and it works fantastically. 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, as for the actual pods, if you lose those, I think you would need to purchase those. But for the case, Amazon got it, y'all. I'm gonna leave the link below. I had to run to catch this bitch, but I made it. Hey, this dog just scared the fuck out of this girl. I don't think she knew he was in the back.
This is an accessible state F Milton train. The next stop is...
It's a beautiful, cold, crisp morning. I also wanted to talk about something. I didn't record when I was in the second station to catch my second train, but I don't know what them homes will be in there smoking, bro. It don't be no weed, man. I think they be smoking like spice or some other hard-ass, psycho-ass drugs. Because it be smelling crazy. Like, it be literally smelling crazy. Whatever the fuck they be smoking, bro. And I just had to say that because it was a homeless man in there rolling up some shit. And then he came down the steps tweaking. So, yeah, just another day. Here's this guy. The nuisance. I know it's rude, but he really is. Tree. Door closed. I don't want him to go. Yes, I love when I get the elevator by myself. I am definitely one of those people. I'm one of those people that will close the elevator on your ass. So if you come, you better come, because door close button, door close button. I be trying to get under the door myself. Period. Ooh, I look terrible. So Sarah, this person on here, like, they ordered, first of all, they ordered that star bracelet, and then he emailed us saying that it broke and that he wanted to return it. So I had told him like what the return policy was, 8%. Oh. That's the only thing, 8% restocking fee. I told him that. And then he started arguing about the 8% restocking fee, talking about I should get a full 100% refund because the product is bad, blah, blah, blah. I was like, we'll repair it. We can replace it, all this stuff. He's like, no. My wife has bought stuff from you guys, blah, 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 blah. So then I realized that he bought it during Black Friday. And then I just told him all Black Friday sales are final. He's about to go off. Yeah, like, he's about to go on. He really is. Like, he already threatened that he was going to report it to his credit card company for the 8% restocking fee.
They can't do nothing about that. It's part of the policy.
So, yeah, I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do, because literally I told him that we can't accept it. He was like, haha, please send the label so I can get this in the mail.
Be like, haha, no label.
And then the thing is, like, if we fix it, at this point, I don't even want to fix it because,
He's just being rude.
and he's probably gonna like, if say for instance we fix it, we take it back.
He might not even take it
He
back.
might not even accept it back.
Exactly. Oh, this is...
So it's just like mess. Okay, so what's good, guys? I've been working. Had to respond to lots of emails today. Yeah, somebody's on the elevator. And also, we had to do our inventory, so I had to go through and correct any inventory mistakes. And now I'm on the way to lunch. I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A for lunch today. And I did my mobile order, so hopefully it's not a long wait. Ooh, it be the Jewish ladies' wigs. I don't know if you guys know, but I work with an overwhelming amount of Jewish people. And honey, the wigs, they all wear wigs. So the wigs be looking insane sometimes. Sometimes they be good. If their money is very long, the wigs are good. But if not, not so much. That tree is so cute. I got the goods. So many people out today. So it's a Thursday, meaning more tourists are in town, and I work painfully close to Rockefeller Center, so the streets are always packed with tons of tourists. Very annoying because they don't know how to walk properly at all. But yeah, I'm really excited to eat this food. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in like, I feel like I haven't had Chick-fil-A in like a month, so this is gonna be a real treat. This line makes no sense. Crackheads of Coney Island.
He lives next to a whole bunch of crackheads.
I think most New Yorkers do live next to a substantial amount of crackheads.
They always say it's gonna be like crazy and this and that. I'm like, girl, my boyfriend sits low. I'm just kidding. I just don't.
Okay, so the day is nearly over. I just did like one last package before the mail guy comes, picks up from us. But I'm so tired. I have to go get me a cappuccino from the coffee shop downstairs, because otherwise I'm just gonna go home and immediately fall asleep. So yeah, we're gonna do that. All right, so it's the end of the day. It's 5:14. We usually get at about 5:30, but I just let the employees go a little bit early because Sandra had to take stuff to the PO box. I mean, to the UPS people. So I just let them head out a little bit early. But I just wanted to like show you guys. I got packaged because I be getting stuff recently. I've been getting things sent to the office just because people be stealing in my neighborhood around this time of year especially. So I got a big ass package, my Shein Black Friday package. I'm so happy about it. I am gonna take one of our IKEA bags to carry this in because I just put it up in this IKEA bag. And it's so cold outside. I'm about to put my gloves on. Trying to go out. Okay, packaged up. All right, guys, I'm about to like do my nighttime routine and head out of here. I'm ready to go. I didn't put my gloves on quite yet. What's that got going on her desk? I'm gonna stop being nosy. Locked up. Okay. Dark office. Oh shit. Boom.
Lobby floor.
Night.
Bye-bye, good night.
These trees are so pretty. Check out Times Square. Only a block away. There's the Fox News tree that was on fire yesterday. Looks like they got a new one up already. An all-American Christmas. Gotta love it.
Y'all see this tree? Somebody burnt that shit down yesterday and that shit is up today. Y'all gotta be like that tree, you heard?